So in example 7, we're going to differentiate y is equal to the e to the sine of x. Okay, so we first need to identify what is the inner function and what is the outer function. So we can say that the inner function is g of x, which is equal to the sine of x. And then we can say that the outer function is the exponential function, which is y, or we can call it f of x, which is equal to e to the x. Okay, so now if we want to use the chain rule, okay, we need to know, okay, now what is the chain rule? The chain rule tells us that if we take dy over dx, well, that's going to equal d over dx of the function e to the sine of x. Okay, so when we're using the chain rule, that means we have e to the sine of x times the derivative with respect to x of that exponent, which is the sine of x. So what that equals is we end up getting e to the power of sine of x. And what is the derivative of sine of x? Well, that's the cosine of x. And so therefore, there is the derivative of that function.